It's a story of triumph, love, and determination, and another example that where you are from does not define who you are. It is also a tale of how a 14-year-old boy can galvanize a community and bring a renewed meaning to unity. More in this report.
Music, celebration, and joy filled the air as motorists paraded through the streets of Augustown to celebrate sprinter Kai Kelly on his record-breaking performance in the Class 3 boys 100 meters at Champs. It's an uncommon sight in the community of Jungle 12 that has seen its fair share of violence over the years.
Possession, and away they go.
Kelly ran 10.60 seconds to break the Class 3 100-meter record of 10.69 seconds. But where did the motivation come from?
Yes, I'm very pleased with all the support that I got, because on the Wednesday night, when I came out there first, I saw my cousin. I was so happy. Then when I went around to the 100-meter part, I looked up and I saw my mommy and my auntie, and I was so happy. And then I was like saying it to myself, say, I can't fail him. That was my main goal.
Kelly's mother, Keisha Drickett, says it would have been easy for Kai to give up on his dream of being an athlete, given where they are from, but she draws inspiration from 2019 world champion TVJ Gale.
As I said, the area, sometimes the mindset with all of the gunshots and all of them, somebody can turn them, make them feel like for say them now want to go out for coming back at a certain time because them now want to leave out, come in, gunshot a fire, whatever. But even when the shot a fire, my son still determined to say, he might go there. I'll drive and go for him, whether in or out a shot.
Kelly's record was even more outstanding because after showing early season signs, he had an injury setback. His cousin, Terry Mills, says it's an indication of Kelly's character.
Yeah, I think that adversity is a part of any sport or even anything in life. I think that he showed it very well. I know that there's going to be setbacks in the future, but I hope that he can grow from it. I know I'll keep on pushing him to know that even though he broke the record, he can still do better. He always has to improve because that's just how it is, and you always want to improve. So I think that he'll grow from it, and I think that he's one to look out for sure.
The parade was organized by Kelly's godmother.
At the relay, when they did bad, he was a bit sad. And I went around the back to talk to him, and he was upset. And I wanted to make him feel better and feel like he was loved. So I went along and I asked to do a motorcade for him and surprise him when he gets home. So that's where the motorcade came in.
Garfield Thomas, who lives in the area, believes this is what the community needs.
My mission is to make sure that we help to support the ones that we see that are doing good, and also the other ones, but it's not everybody you will capture. So we will try and help anybody reaches out and asks for some support or some help. I'll always be there to do that because I know the future these kids are going to be the future.
Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.